Hey everybody, today we're going to be making a thank you card for Mr. Alexandri. Here's the card that I've made. It's a pop-up card. When you open it, it pops up. According to the Greeting Card Association, the history of card giving goes way back to the Egyptians and Chinese. It wasn't until the 1400s that Europeans began to exchange handmade cards. I've created a demonstration for you on how to make your own pop-up greeting card. Have fun and be creative. Ciao ciao for now. Bye! First, fold the outside layer in half. Next, fold the inside layer in half and make sure that it fits. I like to trim mine just a little bit to give it a little bit of extra flair. Then cut 2 little notches in the inside fold, and this will be your pop-up piece. Glue the inside piece to the outside card. I'm going to use collage to create my flower pot, but you can also create a drawing to attach. Once you're finished with your inside piece, then paste it to one part of the tab. Open and close it to make sure it works properly. Then you can add some decorations if you'd like. First, I start with a pencil drawing, and then I'll add markers and colored pencil for some color. Make sure that you think about your craftsmanship. You're giving this to someone, so it should be nice and neat and tidy. I've used a medium, a dark, and a light colored pen to create shadows and highlights on my lettering.